Good day, everybody. It's lottery winner Thomas B. here with another ticket, Ohio Lottery ticket. This one is Ohio Lottery's Cash Explosion CASHWORD. It is a $2 ticket. The odds are 1 in 4.22. What you do is you match your 18 letters with these, and if you get a full word, based on here's the key, you have to get at least 3 words for $2. And then it goes on 4 words for 5, 5 words for 10, 6 words for 25, 7 words for 100, 8 words for 500, 9 words is 1,000, and 10 words is 20,000. There's a bonus play. What is if you reveal a prize amount in the bonus play box and win that amount, reveal an entry symbol in the bonus play box to become eligible to appear on our TV game show. If you reveal a prize amount in the bonus play box and win that amount, oh no, that doesn't make sense to me. Reveal a prize amount in the bonus play box and win. Okay, if there's a prize amount in there, you win that amount. Okay, and this is win up to $20,000 instantly, or a chance at $50,000 or more on the TV game show. All right, let's see. This is ticket number 17. Sorry. Let's see if we'll do 1, 2, FB, Q, A. FBQA. There's an A. There's an A. There's a B. There's a B. FBQA. 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 Okay, YLGS. There's a G. Okay, YLGS. There's an L. There's an S. YLGS. 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 GS. Alright. Next is Z J I P. ZJIP. 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 T U N E. TUNE. 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 There's one word, tile. And then let's see. TUNE up the E. There's an N. There's another E. I messed up E's right here. TUNE. And then N. TUNE. 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 Then two more. OX. O. OX. OX. And then OX of onyx. Alright, now I think we just got two. That's onyx and tile. Let's see, anything else? HK. No. And there's nothing else. Okay, so we got two. So it's a loser. Let's try the bonus play. And bonus play, sorry. No bonus. Alright, and that's it for this one. I don't have any more of these tickets. Number 17, Cash Explosion CASHWORD. Have a great day, and God bless. This is lottery winner Thomas B. checking out. Thank you.